Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your catering equipment rental business. Suppose as the owner of catering business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to check equipment availability, offer rental packages and handle booking requests. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your catering equipment's rental business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, "Can you show me your packages?" After typing, you will see I am getting a response. "Hello and welcome to Serve Rentals, reliable catering equipments when you need it most." Now we have in three options: check equipments, rental packages, book a rental. Now simply click on check equipment. After clicking, you will see I am getting response. Please provide equipment needed. Now I am typing 2 gas stoves. After typing, you will see I am getting another response. Please provide event date. Now I am typing 28 June. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Now we have a rental packages option. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Here are our most popular packages. Now we have a book a rental option. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Please provide full name. Now I am typing my name. Test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Please provide event time. Now I am typing time 10 a.m. After typing time, I am getting another response. Please provide address. Now I am typing XYZ. After typing, you will see I am getting another response. Details: name, date, time, address, equipment needed. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking confirm button, I am getting our last message. So you will see I am getting a responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section, we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your catering equipment rental business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take media button and simply upload the image which I already downloaded. And in this we also add text plus button and write a welcome message on it, and also add action button, that is check equipment, rental packages, book a rental, and simply connect the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press rental packages button, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a equipment need from user and select the contact custom field, services, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect check equipment button to this question box. When user press check equipment button, then we will send over this message and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a date from user and select the contact custom field, date, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. And you will see I am using a asterisk sign. Why we use asterisk sign? Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a name from user and select the contact custom field, full name, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect book a rental button to this question box. When user press book a rental button, then we will send over this message. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a time from user and select the contact custom field, time, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a address from user and select the contact custom field, address, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take text button and write a message on it, name, date, time, address, and you will see I am using a dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? Dollar sign is used to customize or replace the data. Now in this we also add confirm button and simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take another text button and write a message on it and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and save the flow. Now we also connect this question box to this message box. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now if you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our chat flow section and type hello. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now if you have any query, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly chat flow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.